This is each group box has each question has each option here. We can select the one of our correct option for this each questions. For the second question, we have to take another group box from developer tab under the insect section. For each questions we have to take different group box, and for the question 1 we can take one of the option box and copy them different option box under that group box. By right click that option box, we can select the cell link where I want to update the selection number. Under the student selection, when the student select the answer, the student selection will be here. That is the cell link for the question 1. This is the cell link for the question 2. This is the question numbers. I updated the correct answer here. In the result to students, using if function, if the student selection is there is nothing selected, then this result to students is empty. If the student selection is equal to the correct answer, then there's 1 marks for him, otherwise 0 marks. Like this, we can count the total marks for the students from this exam.